Let's start today's drawing. For that I will do one straight line in the middle of the paper, and then I will leave little bit space from the top and mark it over here, and at the bottom I will do one curvy line like a smiley face, and from here to here. So this is my line. I will go a little bit in and make it skinnier over here, 2 points, and I will connect this one to this one with the kind of slightly, you can say, curvy line, not very straight. And here it was kind of like very straight, so I will erase and make it more curvy. And we can see the depth here, same depth I will put it this side, and I will connect from this part. And then I will erase guideline from inside. So this is my straight line. I will do two straight lines over here next to this one, very close. And from here I will try to turn and curve this one too. So like over here it's curvy. Now I will go and erase inside line. So straight and then curve, straight and then curve. On the top I'm going to draw two circles over here. One is little bit going outside of this straight line and one will be in the middle. So middle one you have to draw super light because we are going to erase and fix it later. Now from here we are going to do two straight lines this way and curve it. So inside of this is kind of like a rectangle. If you see anything inside, erase that one. So now you can see my inside circle is kind of like a half, and this rectangle is coming from here. On the top over here it's going to be little bit curvy, kind of like alphabet U. Now from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw kind of like a rectangular but curvy rectangular shape. So like this, all four corners not really sharp, curvy. And then again I will do one straight, kind of like this straight line, and then second straight line this way, and then again I will do this shape. This is just idea, and then I will fix one by one each of them. So almost same size like this, all of them same size, and then three of them over here and three of them I need over here. So I did all of them. Now what we are going to do, one by one we are going to fix all of them. Let me erase everything from here. So this one kind of like alphabet U over here, and this one is coming inside, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to double this one and come here. It will be doubled and it will be here. Same thing we will do here. This is going to be alphabet U, and this was coming from inside like this. So we make sure this one we also do the same thing, alphabet U, and then this is curvy rectangle. We will do double of this one. We already fixed this one, so let's do these two. Alphabet U, alphabet U, alphabet U, curvy rectangle, and let's do double. Now from here this point, we are going to draw a circle. So if you are thinking, we can do plus sign here, all four same size, and then we are going to connect. And then we will erase the guideline. Now over here I will do smiley, means curvy line. So wherever I want, I will do curvy lines. And I will do alphabet V sharp, and I will erase anything if I see inside of this cone shape. So this part I'm going to erase. These are from the back side. You can use pencil to sketch if you want to. From this direction, you can do slightly curvy lines. Same thing on this one. From the bottom little bit, and a little bit here and there on these ones, especially when they are coming outside of this rectangular one. And especially here, make it curvy. So think like these are cones, not triangle. And if you want to use the sketching tool, you can go ahead and you can sketch on this side